Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram login issues quickly. So if you guys experiencing issues logging into your Instagram account, I'm going to show you some steps that you can follow to quickly resolve the problem. So first, you need to check your internet connections. So make sure you are connected to the internet. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. This one's right here. I'm using Wi-Fi, so I need to switch into mobile data and vice versa to check if the connections is the issue. If you're on Wi-Fi, you can also try to restart your router. That hopefully will resolve the connectivity issues. And you can also verify your login credential. So double check that you are entering the correct username and password, and make sure that the caps lock key isn't on while typing your password. And if you are unsure of your password or you forgot the password, you can just tap on this forgot password, and then you can follow the instructions sent to your email or phone to reset your password. You can also use Instagram login help. If you cannot reset your password or have trouble receiving an email, you can tap on need more help on the password reset page, and this will guide you through the process of recovering your account. So on Android, you can also try to clear the cache. You can go to the settings and find apps. This one. Tap on Instagram. Go to the storage and cache and choose to clear the cache. And you can also update your Instagram, so make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Just open the App Store or Play Store and check if an update is available. So if you are still having trouble, you can also try logging out of all devices. You can visit Instagram website on a computer, go to setting, login activity, and log out of any unfamiliar devices or sessions. And you can also enable the two-factor authentications. If you've been able to log in and want to secure your account, you can enable this feature. So if the Instagram app isn't working, you can try log in to your Instagram account using a web browser to see if the issue is app specific. So if the previous step is not working, you can try to contact Instagram support. So you can just search for login issue or use the support form to report your issue. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.